Oh, it's gonna be 6,000. This is pricey. This is so pricey. I can't. I'm gonna check the Cebu to City. Sound so amazing. I understand. It's round trip. Safety first. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna convince her. I'm still gonna convince her. Maybe my love will come back someday. Puerto. I'm gonna check a lot of friends are right now hearing that. Yeah, hello. How much if I took a bus from Manila to Pampanga? Because if I'm gonna be with my sister, thank you, Lightning. If I'm gonna be traveling with my sister, I really need to go to Manila first. Cause oh, it's cheaper. So I should just go to. I should go. I just. What do you mean? I mean, I should just go to. Should go. I really need to go to Manila first so that I can pick her up. Cause she's in Manila. She's staying in Manila right now. What's yeah. But she can't book her ticket because not sure if she. Okay. 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 Voices, voices stronger. I believe. Oh, it's just the same. Remember. Oh, if okay, this one. Oh, do you have? Yeah, the fuck. Oh, we only live once. Yeah, I agree. And that's why I really wanted to. I really wanted to, try everything. Cause like